Hello friends, I've done this tutorial before, but I wanted to make a variation of that tutorial specifically for converting images to SVG for the Cricut machine. Okay, first choose a very simple logo like this image. Go ahead and right click on it, copy image, go here and paste it into your Illustrator canvas. Okay, I'm gonna rescale it. Okay, so we want to convert this pixel-based image into an SVG curve. In order to do that, all you have to do is make sure you select that image, then go to the right sidebar, go to Image Trace, and here what you're looking for is black and white logo. Click on this option. Okay, so this will change your image to black and white, but that's not everything. The next thing you want to do to convert this image to SVG is to go to Object and then click on Expand with the three dots here. Click on Expand, then go ahead and just click OK here. And there you have it. At this point, your image has been turned into an SVG file. You can start changing the curve here, and basically you get the idea. So this is basically an easy way for converting logos or similar pictures into an actual SVG curve. Now there's one thing you need to know. So let me convert this image again to black and white logo, Object, Expand. Okay, and so at this point what we have is if you double click on this image, you can move it out like this. So it actually has two layers. You want to delete this one, then Control A to select, go to color, and find a color for this. This way you avoid that cutout and focus directly on the actual logo shape. Okay, so here it is. You can start changing it. Now to save this as an SVG file on your hard drive, go to File, Export, Export as, just give this file an SVG name. Okay, export. Now here, make sure to click on Minify so that your SVG file fits into the box that it's being saved in, and click OK. Okay, and this is how you convert images to SVG and save them on your hard drive in Illustrator.